Hi everyone, and welcome to day 12. So I'm just going to jump straight in with this. So this is the official halfway through one. It's whizzing by so far. Let's just... Ooh. So this is a real mixture, this one, I think. We've got some beautiful speckles here, which are really, really nice. And then we've got some really deep blue ones up here as well. And then we've got some really vivid green. So we've got, it's like a pinky purple base, and then a really pale greyish colour. And then we've got these really deep speckles throughout. This is a really interesting one. I'm not sure whether this is mermaidy or unicorn. I'm thinking mermaidy because of the blues and greens, but I could be wrong. But it's really pretty, this one. Very unusual, I think. I really like this one. But then I've really liked all of them, so that's not much use to anybody. But yeah, very interesting one, this one, I think. I really like these colours together. I wouldn't have thought of putting the really deep coloured speckles in, but they actually work really, really well. So that's a very pretty one. So that was, what day was this? 12? That's day 12. And I will see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.